My name is Ali. For years, I used to travel to work on a motorcycle through heat, cold, and even rain. But finally, the day came when I decided it was time to buy my first car. A brand new, personal car. When I walked into the showroom, one shiny silver car immediately caught my eye. I turned to the salesman and said, "Please explain everything about this car," as if I know nothing. He smiled and said, "Let me show you what makes a car come to life." 1. The engine, power source. "First, this is the engine," he began. "It's the heart of the car. It generates power from fuel, whether petrol, diesel, or electricity, and sends it to the wheels through the transmission. Visual, engine animation showing pistons moving. 2. Gearbox, controls speed. This is the gearbox," he continued. "It controls how fast the car goes. Lower gears are for slower speeds and climbing, while higher gears are for cruising. Most cars today use automatic transmissions." 3. Clutch, connects engine and gears. "In manual cars," he explained, "you press the clutch to temporarily disconnect the engine from the wheels, so you can change gears smoothly." 4. Brakes, the safety system. "Brakes are crucial," he said. "They include disc brakes, drum brakes, and ABS anti-lock braking system, which helps keep the car stable during sudden stops." 5. Suspension, for a smooth ride. "The suspension system absorbs shocks from rough roads," he explained. "It includes springs and shock absorbers that give you a comfortable ride." 6. Steering, direction control. The steering wheel allows you to control the direction of the car. Modern cars come with power steering, which makes turning easier, even with one hand. 7. Electrical system, lights and features. The battery powers the electrical system, headlights, indicators, wipers, music systems, and screens. Without this, the car would feel lifeless. 8. AC and ventilation, comfort on the road. Air conditioning keeps the car cool in hot weather, and ventilation allows fresh air inside. Many cars now have automatic climate control for added comfort. 9. Body and frame, design and protection. The body is the car's structure. It's not just about looks, it's also about safety. Crumple zones, airbags, and reinforced steel help protect passengers in case of accidents. 10. Interior features, comfort and convenience. Inside, you'll find seats, the dashboard, music systems, touch screens, cup holders, and more. Many cars now come with Bluetooth, rear-view cameras, and parking sensors. I was amazed at how much goes into a single car. I used to think a car was just a vehicle with four wheels, but now I see it as a masterpiece of engineering. Video shows Ali smiling, receiving car keys, and driving away. Now, every time I drive, I remember the effort and detail behind each part working together to take me safely and comfortably to my destination. Like the video.